All right, so during this video, I'm going to show you how to access my hub and navigate my hub every single day. So far you guys have been doing do nows. You're today going to be introduced to what a mission is, and this is pretty much the way my class will work. So I'm on the Houston ISD student portal as the page that usually opens up when you go to Chrome. You just click the hub button right here to get to the hub. It opens up for you pretty much automatically. You might have to click the Login with Active Directory button. Then you hit Courses, and you'll hit the 2018 S1 English 1A 3 course. Then this page will open up for you, the English 1 content page. You guys already know all about the Do Now links, but if you scroll a little bit further down, you see this thing called English Mission List. It says Unit 1, Nonfiction, Missions. So there are a few terms that you need to know right now. I'm going to go over to this Word document for you right here. These are the two terms that you need to know. Unit and mission. These are the ones that we're going to talk about right now. Now, a unit relates to the grading period. It's the genre we're studying during that entire grading period. So for example, Unit 1 takes place during Cycle 1, which is the first 6 weeks of the school year, basically just your first report card. And Unit 1 is all about nonfiction. So during this entire unit, for the rest of these remaining weeks of this unit, we're going to be reading nonfiction and just nonfiction, analyzing nonfiction. So if you go here, you see this is Unit 1, this is nonfiction, and we have what are called missions. You see two of them right here. One of them is active, has a link. Second one is not open for anybody yet. But the first mission is called Mission 8A, and then the second mission will be called Mission 9A, 9C. And there are actually two more missions, but they are also not active yet. I'm only leaving this first one active for you guys right now. So what is a mission? A mission is the skill that we are learning for that unit. So the first mission in Unit 1, Mission 8A, which is the main idea and supporting details. So during this mission, we will be learning, practicing, and testing how to identify and analyze the main idea and supporting details in a nonfiction text. So, learning, practicing, testing how to identify and analyze main idea and supporting details in a nonfiction text. If we go and we see here, this is the first mission. We have 3 assignments that are due for it. One learning activity, which is due by Friday, September 14th. That is 2 days from now. Today's the 12th. If you have me tomorrow, it's tomorrow. It's the next day. If you have me on the 13th, it's the next day. One learning activity due by Friday, September 14th. One practice activity due by Wednesday, September 19th. And one test activity due by Thursday, September 20th. So these are your assignments that you do for my class. If we open up the mission, we see it's broken up into 3 parts. Learning activities, practice activities, and test activities. Now this is should be pretty self-explanatory, but I'll go through it. A learning activity is the first part of a mission, so you have to do it first. It's where you're learning the skill. So during Mission 8A, you'll be learning the main idea and supporting details first. These can be done through videos, reading, small group one-on-one conferences with staff school, etc. There's different types of assignments for learning activities. These assignments are always worth 20% of your grade. So if we go here, these are your 2 learning activities. You choose one of the 2 options. Choose one. So option 1, option 2. Option 1 lets you learn and analyze from videos. Option 2 lets you learn and analyze from text. Cool? Same thing with practice activities. It's the second part of a mission. You apply the skill you just learned. It can be done through reading analysis, small projects, essays, short answer responses, etc. These assignments are worth 40% of your grade. So the practice activities are worth the most part of your grade in my class. Practice activities are usually longer. We have 2 options for this one, and you're going to choose one. So you choose one of these 2 options right here. And then the last thing is a test. The test is just what it sounds like. It's the final part of a mission. Your ability on the skill is tested. Most often, it's a short multiple choice test and on track. These assignments are worth 20% of your grade. So the most important one are the practice. Now, here's how you do an assignment. Let's say I want to get started, of course, on my learning activities and choose one of these 2 options. I will look at option 1. When I open up option 1, this is what I will see. Download the document, answer the questions, and submit. So this is the activity. I download it by clicking these 3 dots, hitting download. It opens up down here. I click open, and it opens up like this. It tells me to watch this video, then answer the questions that follow. So I control click to go to the video, and I answer the questions in here by typing in whatever my answer is. I save the document, file, save as. I go back to the assignment page. You'll have an answer button right here. You click the answer button, you upload the file, you submit it. If you have questions about that, let me know. Now I'm going to try to end this video. Where is my button? End the video. Why can't I end it?